Hey, Dr. Lara Johnson here from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy, and I want to show you a great exercise using a green looped band. You just put it around your ankles for glutes and stability. So you're going to place the band around your ankles and with a nice tall upright posture, you're going to step forward with one foot and kick back using your glutes on the back side. Step forward, kick back, step forward, kick back. Now you're going to really feel this on the standing leg and your moving leg. And on your moving leg, the one you're kicking back, you really want to squeeze that glute muscle and use that as opposed to any kind of back motion. So your back's nice and strong and stable. Squeeze your abdominals in slightly. If this is too hard to start, you can do this definitely without the band. And that is all you need to do is squeeze everything a little bit more. So we call this a skater walk. Kick back, step forward. Kick back, squeeze in. And then you're gonna turn around, kick back. Another great home exercise, which is why I'm in my home. You're having to stand and balance on one leg, get a lot of work and a lot of good activation on both sides. It's one of my favorites. All right, enjoy.